Guys, good morning or good evening, wherever you are. Today I will show you how to fix sound problem on Discord, easy and quick. Let's do it. First guys, just open the settings of your device. Click at apps option and search for Discord and click, and you will see this list of options. Scroll it down, click right now storage, click just clear cache. You should back now, click on force stop and click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store and update your Discord. Restart now your mobile phone and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.